Hi, this is Urvi from your video classes, and our today's topic is subordinating conjunctions. What is a subordinating conjunction? Let's just see that first. Subordinating conjunctions are the words that join a dependent clause to the main clause. If you want to know more about dependent clause and main clause and how to identify them, you can refer to my video related to phrases and clauses, the link to which is given in the description box. A subordinating conjunction is placed before a dependent clause to make a complex sentence. So where is the place, or rather where is it placed? It is placed just before a dependent clause. The structure of the sentence will be main clause plus subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause. That means the subordinating conjunction comes between the two clauses but placed before the dependent clause always. And the other structure is subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause, then put a comma and then the main clause. You have to put a comma after the subordinating clause or the dependent clause, as we say, if you are starting your sentence with a subordinating conjunction. Let us see the conjunctions which are frequently used to introduce a subordinate clause or a dependent clause. Since it is introducing a subordinating clause, we will be going clause wise only. I will be telling you the conjunctions as per the clauses. First we say noun clause. So noun clause is introduced using conjunctions like that, how and what. An adjective clause is generally introduced using conjunctions who, what, which, where, etc. And an adverb clause is generally introduced using conjunctions after, before, because, when, where, why, etc. We begin with subordinating conjunctions that introduce a noun clause. This is our hope. Neha will be able to lift the weight. Okay, these are the two sentences. Now we have to make one sentence as a subordinating clause, and the main meaning should always be in the main clause. This is our hope, is actually the complete idea. This is our hope that Neha will be able to lift the weight. Here you can see we have used that, and when we see that, Neha will be able to lift the weight. Are we getting any complete meaning? No, it is a subordinating clause. I saw it. He fell down. See, when we see these two sentences separately, we will say that they are conveying meaning. He fell down and I saw it. But when I join it with a subordinating conjunction, it goes as I saw how he fell down. Now here, how he fell down is a dependent clause because it is not serving a complete meaning by itself. I said something. Did you listen to it? Did you listen to what I said? See, everywhere if you will note, we have made some or the other changes in the structure of subordinating clause. Sometimes we have to do that. Last sentence if we see, did you listen to it? That it we have totally removed, and instead of that we have written I said, and something is also eliminated from the sentence. The next is subordinating conjunction to introduce an adjective clause. This is the house. My uncle lives here. These are the two sentences. Now since adjective clause will describe something which is there in the main clause, our sentence that we combine will come out as, this is the house where my uncle lives. So what did we do? We removed, or rather we replaced here with where. But here in the first sentence, if you see the word here is at the end, which we have removed, and where a word that shows place has been introduced before the subordinating clause. This is Rohan. Rohan is a studious boy. Okay. Now we have to join these two sentences in such a way that you get a clause which is an adjective clause. This is Rohan, who is a studious boy. Instead of writing Rohan again, we introduced the conjunction who. This is Rohan, and the later part is who is a studious boy. Tina bought a cake. The cake was delicious. Joining the two sentences with a subordinator will be, Tina bought a cake which was delicious. Here you can see which was delicious is a dependent clause which has to depend on the main clause for its meaning. The next is subordinating conjunction that introduces an adverb clause. You must carry an umbrella. It is raining. And when we join these two sentences, we get, you must carry an umbrella because it is raining. We can also write it as, since it is raining, comma, you must carry an umbrella. Because see, words because and since both are used to show the reason. Fine. So why shall you carry an umbrella? Because it is raining, right? So if you are using because, it will follow the main clause plus subordinating conjunction plus dependent clause, that structure. But if you are using since, always remember since comes in the beginning of the sentence only. That means the dependent clause will come before the independent clause. And don't forget the comma. Harsh had left the place, I reached there. Okay, these are the two sentences which we have to combine. Harsh had left the place before I reached there. That means the action was already over. Same sentence can be written even with after, but the structure is going to remain the same where the conjunction is placed in between two clauses. My friend came to me. I was watching TV at that time. Okay. Now when we are joining these two sentences, our one sentence that is complex sentence will go as, when I was watching TV, my friend came to me. Here see, main activity is my friend coming to me. So that is the main clause, but as you can see, we have started our sentence with a subordinator. So conjunction first, then the dependent clause, and then the main clause. But the same sentence, if I want to write with when as a conjunction between the two clauses, we can write it as, my friend came to me when I was watching TV. See, in this video, I have tried to take a few examples of the conjunctions, rather subordinating conjunctions, which are generally used. There are other conjunctions also, which will be taken care in my some other video. Till then, let's do what we are supposed to do now at the end of the video. A small exercise wherein you have to combine the following sentences using subordinating conjunctions. The first sentence is, you met Mr. Ashok. Mr. Ashok is my friend. Yes, come on. Join them. You met Mr. Ashok, who is my friend. Second sentence. He is going somewhere. I know it. Very good. I know where he is going. You like animations. I know about it. Actually, I know that you like animations. Next sentence. She passed with flying colors. She had worked hard. And the answer is, since she had worked hard, she passed with flying colors. Wishing the same for you all also. You can place the table in this room. You can place it anywhere you like. Little tricky. Yes, it goes as, you can place the table wherever you like in this room. If you have got all the answers correct, kudos to you. If not, keep practicing, keep watching my videos. See you with some other topic in my next video. Till then, keep practicing. Take care and bye-bye.